back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. I am super excited. I have a new subscription to share with you guys. I actually did not know this was coming. It just showed up, so I am super excited to open it, review it with you guys, and tell you all about it. It is So High Vibe. And I'm assuming this is the October box. A little bit about So High Vibe. They have a Cratejoy site. The box is $34.99 a month. They do have a code right now, welcome SHV for So High Vibe. So welcome SHV says it will get you a special discount. I'm not exactly sure what the discount is, but there is that code. So I'll put the link to the Cratejoy site and the code below for you guys. I know you get, it says 5 to 7 vibe boosting items to help maintain a state of high vibration and keep positivity flowing through your day. And I can't wait to get in here and see what's in it. Like I said, I didn't even know it was coming. It just showed up. So this is the box. It's actually very, very heavy. So I'm curious to see what is in here. So let's open it up. I mean, like, it's actually, it's heavy. Oh, this is so pretty. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Everything's all sparkly. Okay, welcome to So High Vibe. This box is for everyday people who choose to make joy a priority. In it, you will find tools to ignite positive emotions like love, peace, and excitement. We know it's impossible to stay happy all the time, but we also know when you are in a state of high vibe, positive emotion, you attract high vibe, positive experiences, people, and things into your life. So explore your products, engage in the community, and enjoy. And it looks like everything is like sparkly. I don't know. Can you guys see? It's so sparkly. All right, so this says 30-day quest card. This is for October. Need some ideas to help get those so high vibe emotions flowing? Explore some of the activities on this card. Try something you've never tried before. Remember those that give you all the good feels. Have fun on your quest. Oh, okay, so on the back there are 30 things listed, and it's just try a new recipe, go for a hayride, carve a jack-o'-lantern, start your holiday shopping, create a bucket list, bake a pie, organize your pantry, go on YouTube and find some new dance moves to try, or new subscriptions, just saying. Go to a comedy show, rewatch your favorite movie, take silly Snapchat photos. So I just got 30 different things, just something fun. And then here we have what's inside. Okay, so this is gonna tell us what's inside, so we'll put that to the side. And monthly quote for October is, "It's all about finding the calm in the chaos." Donna Karen. Absolutely. Refer to this card when you need a quick change in thought. Recall three things about the best vacation you ever had. What's your favorite scene from a movie you find hilarious? Make a quick mental list of your top 3 positive attributes. All right. So, and then this is what we see when we actually start to get to the products. So let's dive in. First thing on top looks very interesting. Oh, got white squigglies going everywhere. All right, you guys, this is pretty. I'm just saying. And it's from Ulta. This is a soothing gel eye mask. But look at this with glitter. Warm the mask and pamper yourself with a relaxing sensation. Sinus issues, headache, try it out as a home remedy. Use the mask cool to get rid of puffy, tired eyes and to get that refreshed look back. How cute is this? This is super cute. I actually want to take it out. Like I said, it's from Ulta. Oh, you guys, it actually has a strap. So you can put it on and it's not going anywhere. That is like so, hi. It's like a masquerade mask. It's so cute. Oh, I love that. Okay. Now, let's see. What are you? I don't know, but you are pretty. I'm going to figure this out. Soothe by Alana Core Massage Roller. Massage at any time. How cool is that? Use your core massage roller to reduce stress, relieve tension, and soothe sore muscles, or just to relax and refresh your hard-working body. Small enough to put in your purse, glove compartment, or desk drawer. Enjoy. Oh, yeah, first of all, this is super beautiful, but my husband will be rubbing my back. He just don't know it yet. That is great. All right, here we have affirmators cards. Self-talk can make us or break us. Take note of your words and thoughts. Make a full faith effort to use those words and thoughts to encourage, uplift, motivate, and empower yourself. Use them how you see fit. Shuffle. Read the cards. Find one that speaks to your current situation. Okay, so it's got cards in it. Like, here's some examples. Like, follow your heart. I'm always rewarded when I follow my heart. I trust that the GPS in my heart knows all the best routes, and when it comes to it taking too long to get where I want, I know that's because there's some cool, weird stuff to see along the way. So that's interesting, little positivity cards that you can read to yourself if you need them. And then this is a game. The Game of Things, Humor in a Box. Have a ball with some friends and family. Just know you're going to catch a cramp from laughing so hard at the responses. Guessing who said what is not as easy as you think. Don't worry, although this is the mini version, the fun never ends because the responses always change. Have fun, laugh, enjoy some quality time, and make some awesome memories. That's awesome. That's fun. And oh, this is cute. It's a little journal. It says Discover. And it's got where you could circle the month and date. What do you write in here? No negativity allowed in the book. It's not about what you dislike, hate, or loathe. Our focus is on the positive. Remember, you get more of what you focus on. So that's a cute little journal. And come down in here. I'm trying to like dig, and the squigglies are trying to go. All right. So this looks like 2 thank you cards. Thank you cards. Gratitude is the ultimate high vibe act. Expressing a sincere thank you to another person benefits both the giver and the receiver. Use your cards to send a heartfelt thank you. Oh, they're just cute little blank thank you cards. So that's great. And then our last item is all wrapped in bubble wrap. Looks like it's kind of lotion. Oh, this is from Bath and Body Works, y'all. I don't want to say this incorrectly. It's either Yang Yang or Lang Lang. Essential oil body lotion. Yang Ylang, maybe? Make it an experience. Keep your focus on the activity at hand. Be mindful as you apply. Allow your body to unwind. Appreciate the hydration of your skin. Notice how it feels when rubbed in. Take in the aroma. Enjoy the mellow, calming fragrance. Be conscious of the soothing effects. Breathe and relax. So this is from their aromatherapy line, and it's a body lotion from Bath and Body Works. I really like it. It's a glass bottle and a pump. Can I? Where do I need? Ha. That's a little. It smells good. It's very light, and it almost has, it's almost like there's a hint of like, almost like a powdery smell, but then it's almost like a beachy salt air smell. It smells really good though, like really good. So I think this box is great. I mean, we got such a variety of products. You know, we got the mask from Ulta, the Bath and Body Works lotion, the really cool massage ball, the game, thank you cards, the journal, the cards. I mean, this is a great deal. I mean, this is an awesome box. Like I said, I will make sure to put the link for So High Vibe down below and that coupon code. So if you like these products and you want to get you a box, you can head on over to their website or through Cratejoy and purchase one. But yeah, I think this is really awesome. I love that the cards are sparkly. I think that is super cute. And just then the card with the different ideas, and these are all fall related, which is awesome. So yeah, I really, really love this. Like I said, I didn't know it was coming, but I'm super glad it did. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next unboxing, which I'm actually going to film in just a second, but I don't know when I'll post it. I've had a couple of things come in today, so you may notice the same makeup and jewelry. But otherwise, anyway, I'm rambling. You guys have an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you with the next video.